Many of you guys wanted me to share my Google Opinion Rewards earnings. So this is the video in which I will be sharing with you how much money I made from Google Opinion Reward. Along with that, I will show you a quick tutorial of how you can buy any games or application from Google Play Store from the money that you have earned in this application. So anything you want, you can buy it from Google Play Store. Obviously, you should have the required amount. So this is a quick tutorial of buying a game from Google Play Store. Obviously, you can buy anything you want. In-app purchases can be done from this amount. If you want to buy anything in your game like Free Fire and Pubg, you can easily buy anything from this amount. If you want to earn money from Google Opinion Rewards, there will be survey asked to you and you will have to answer those surveys and you will end up having some small amount. If you want to know how I get survey in Google Opinion Rewards, you can check the description. Over there I have shared 2 videos in English and also videos in Hindi in which you can get more survey in Google Opinion Rewards. So if you want those tutorials, you check the description. Over there I have mentioned 2 videos in English as well as Hindi. On this channel we make videos on tech related stuff. So if you are interested in tech things, so you can subscribe to this channel, and this channel will provide you quality unique tech videos on regular basis.